Oh, I'm sure you're getting tired of me because I keep posting biasing videos, but it's a little bit of education if you want to watch, and then I will show a little demo at the end. It's not much of a demo, but just I'll show the performance. Here's the Onkyo A-RV400. This is actually from, I think, 1990. 100 watts per channel. Let me tell you, if you want a really solid amp, this thing really puts out some hefty power. This is one of those amps I actually always felt gave out more power than it's stated. It's stated for 100 watts per channel, and it's strong. So we're going to go ahead and adjust the idle current. And according to this, it should be on for 10 minutes. It's been on already for a while, and I've been playing it. But I opened it up, and I hooked up the right channel to the test points. And this should be at 9.5 millivolts, plus or minus 3.5. So we're actually within range right now. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to adjust it anyway. So I spray a little bit of deoxit on the potentiometer right here. And let's just watch this here. If I could just get this a little bit closer, and it's very sensitive. But again, it's plus or minus 3. There we go. We're exactly at 9. Let me go ahead and switch the wires, and I'm going to do the left channel. Okay, here's the left channel. We're at around 3.6. Let's go ahead and adjust this one as well. It should be at 9. So we're just going to move it ever so slightly. This is, again, the DC idle. This one was off more than the other one. Up a little high. So, you know, the idea here is just to get it better than it was. I'm not overly concerned about making it perfect, but you know what? This is pretty darn good. So 9.2. Again, this is a really good amp. My gosh. I actually have the remote for this. I don't have a lot of remotes for some of these, but this one has a motorized volume. There's actually a motor in here. And for those that may have this model, I didn't want to take the whole panel off because there's a lot of work to spray these contacts. I found that by just removing this and spraying a bunch of deoxit in here, it actually reached where it needed to go. So that includes the speaker adjuster as well. I think you can get to the side, and then the volume I was able to get into. But anyways, I put deoxit on these because I've never really done that to this amp. But now we are where we should be. And let's go ahead and we'll check for performance. Well, it sounds and works just as good as it did before, but now the amp is within proper spec. This has just a Speak and Spell, if you will, display. Very basic VFD. Does have the direct, source direct, but again, you're looking for a workhorse. This is a darn good amp. Really, really powerful.